Hello YouTubers, 2016 Nissan Rogue, and I'll show you how to change the cabin air filter. So if we get under the glove box, you will see this cover over there. And there's one screw that holds this cover, so we'll get that screw removed. And that's Phillips screw. So now when the screw is removed, all we need to do, just pull it by this ring over here. Just come off. The filter is jammed inside, so you will need to pry it out like that. So when you put it back in, make sure that the arrows are pointing towards yourself. So basically like this, so the air flows from here to here. And to get it in, you will need to squeeze it like this and then slide it like this and let it go basically. So now when the filter is in, so you see the hard side is on the bottom and on the top, so we will install that cover back. So the cover is back and Phillips screw is back into.